Good day to everyone. Have a wonderful day ahead. Today, Mheldivjoy will be sharing another recipe. How I hope everyone will like it. Anyway, if bago lang kayo sa aming channel, please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below what you can say about the video or share some suggestions. We gladly hear you out. And please do also click the notification bell to be updated for our upcoming new videos. For today's recipe, Mheldivjoy will be sharing how to cook dakjuk, or in English known as chicken porridge. Porridge is hugely popular in Korea as a breakfast or a light meal. Dakjuk or chicken porridge is one of those. This is often served especially during cold winter days. In this recipe, we'll be needing rice. Actually, yung rice supposedly kailangan nakababad within an hour. But because of I don't have enough time, I already cook it. But any of the options may do, guys. I also have here with me shredded chicken breast. I also have here vegetable cut into bits, which are zucchini, potato, and carrot. We also needed chopped garlic and chopped onion. We needed also sliced leeks, pepper, and salt. Now, let's start to cook. First, get the pot and bring to heat. Then when the pot is already heated, pour some sesame oil in it. Then, let the oil to be heated. Then pag mainit na yung oil, put the chopped garlic in and saute it until turns to slightly brown. Then, after, add chopped onion and saute it a bit more. Maybe just for a few seconds. There. Then, put in all the vegetables and stir a bit more longer. For a few more seconds. Add 2 teaspoons of salt to start. Then later, if hindi enough yung taste, just add more according sa inyong panlasa. And let's add also black pepper powder. Next, let's add our cooked rice. As I told you guys a while ago, pwede rin tayong gumamit ng rice, but we have to soak it an hour. Anyways, we all know that cooking a porridge is very common. Even a grade school student can cook one. But what I'm showing you guys is a different way of cooking it, in more healthier way. Now, let's get back to cooking. As you can see, the vegetable and rice already mixed up well. So let's pour the chicken stock, which is yung pinagpakuluan ng chicken a while ago. And I forgot to mention that when I boiled the chicken, I put some cloves of garlic, a whole onion, a laurel leaves, a stalk of leeks, and few whole black pepper. Use a strainer to strain the stock para hindi masama those ingredients I just mentioned. Then, let the stock boil for 10 minutes or until the soup thickens. And if you will use uncooked rice, maybe you should cook it for 30 minutes or more until the soup thickens too. Our chicken porridge or dakjuk is almost ready. There. Let's wait a bit more longer. Here it is. It's already cooked. Let's scoop and transfer to our bowl. And top with the shredded chicken breast. And garnish it with sliced leeks. Thank you for spending your precious time for watching. How I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa inyong panonood. Again, if you're just new to our channel, Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and please do also click the notification bell to be updated for our new upcoming videos. See you next time! Bye-bye!